Friends, in this video for iThought Advisor, I am going to talk to you on the topic finding new ideas now. We all know where the markets are. We know valuations at the broader level seem to be quite elevated. IPOs are coming at valuations much higher than even the broader market. So, in this market context, is it possible to find new ideas? If so, where should one be looking at and how should one identify those ideas? Firstly, in every market context, it is possible to find new ideas because the market is not going to be perfect in identifying and spotting every opportunity. There will always be that unevenness in the market because the market may be looking to buy ideas which will immediately fire. For example, last year as soon as COVID struck, the market looked at where consumption or business was going on as usual. It was business as usual and people were also managing to do more business. So, that is how we saw that bump up in the FMCG. The market clearly was not interested in buying businesses which were shut down at that time, like travel, tourism, hotels. It was not interested in any of those businesses because it felt that these businesses have to go through a period of pain before they give you gains. So, for a period of time, while the markets was looking only at what is hot, where you could get immediacy of business performance, there also was another part of the market where for a period of time nothing was going to happen in the business and a lot was going to happen in the stock price, and whatever would happen would be adverse. So, the market was not ready to face that adversity. If you are a person looking for new ideas where the immediate future was not so great, you could have well bought into any of these themes which faced that adversity, right. So, wherever there is adversity, the market probably may not be keen to participate, but you with your patience and investment horizon in place can actually find very good ideas and lock into them at valuations which will give you returns which will be rewards for your conviction and patience. So, in every market context, there will always be opportunities which the market does not want simply because nothing will happen in the immediate future. The next thing, some businesses may by nature have a longer gestation. So, if you are an investor who can take that gestation, you will probably make a lot of money. You are looking at the hugely successful multi-baggers of the last 2 decades like SRF and TTK Prestige. They had a long gestation before which they started firing. So, if you have such a patience to buy into companies which have that kind of a gestation, certainly you can buy some ideas like that in every market context. Even today you could buy. Clearly, the market does not have dearth of ideas, but the market is not willing to look at ideas which do not give immediate results, and that is where you can find a lot of very good ideas for the medium term. Importantly, you do not have competition because everybody wants to buy businesses which did well in the last quarter and will do even better in the next quarter. You can't find businesses like that, but you can always find a business which will do very well in the 8th or the 12th quarter and then for a very long time. So, if you have that temperament, you can always find those ideas. So, bull markets or whatever time, you will always find such businesses which the market does not want to believe in the near term, where mispricing is happening and where you could log in and gradually build a position over a period of time, validating your hypothesis as you go along, improving your conviction and wanting to really own more of that idea. This as much applies to themes. There are a number of themes which you can build over a period of time. For example, from the negative mood that you saw in 2017 in pharmaceutical to the peak phase of negativity in 2019, you could have well built a position in pharmaceutical, validating what you believe and gradually increasing your exposure as we got into COVID, and as you all know, the next 3-4 quarters you saw the results. So over a 3.5 year period the theme played out. I am sure there are enough themes today also in the market. A good investor should identify those themes, or you should have an advisor who is able to identify those themes for you and present it to you in the right way, help you scale up your investments and your exposure to those themes gradually, sensibly and systematically, and ensure that you buy a good position size in those themes when your conviction runs high. You should not have a high conviction position with a low position. That should not happen to any investor, certainly not to any of you. So ensure that you build an ecosystem of ideas, of advice and execution. You can find ideas in every market context, and this market context is no exception. Thank you very much for watching this video.